Hello everyone, I just want to show how much destroyed will be after last hurricane here on the Philippines. On here you see this much left from the resort. Only the bedrooms stay up, rest will be desperate. Look of that, how powerful will be nature. On a couple of years, probably nothing will be left on here. I believe so. All houses on this what you see on here. Look in that. I see a couple of photos of this resort before it's destroyed, looking nicely, and now just one big apocalyptic view. And here is a little bit flooring left even. Cannot imagine how powerful wind will be here to destroy whole resort like that. Look in the view from here on the pass. It's even better from place where we'll be now, but truly it's windy here. Wind here is much stronger, but imagine that. This will probably be everywhere. Wake up, looking in the window, and you see things like that. And now it's just rest. Now just left things like that. I don't know what's happened exactly here. If it's only hurricane, or maybe water get out from another side from the raining. You see, as a part of the river or God know what, but it's there. Yeah, water on the both sides. It don't have a chance for surviving, I think so. I'm putting some photo later. I just put on the movie some link to this place as a show closed for good. And you can see it, how this place looking before hurricane and then how it's looking now. It's be really big disaster. What many people cannot move up. I think so. As a bar will be here on the pass. Some kitchen, dirty kitchen, believes no. That's no. It's bathroom. Bathroom is there, more likely. I think so. Okay. Here, it's even tree grow up in a 1 year time. It's a shame things like that is happened on here. Oh. So, okay, people, next time when you're coming on here thinking what you can do for this place, not for that exactly, not for this resort, and how much painful will be living on place when you build something and be destroyed like that. Okay, see you everyone. Please subscribe me and like my movie, it's really helpful for me. Thanks, bye.